It is known as the diamond of the sea, the bluefin tuna. But before it reaches the plate, it must be conquered.
Advanced sonar is helpful. Nothing beats the experienced eyes of a spotter pilot.
Contact! School is 2 o'clock. They're on!
The speed skiff launches like a torpedo, dragging kilometers of heavy net to encircle the school before they can dive deep.
The circle is closed. Inside, hundreds of tons of bluefin tuna are now secured. But the clock is ticking.
Trapped within the nylon walls, the school panics. These are powerful creatures, not used to confinement. Hydraulic winches groan under the weight. Slowly, the net is dried up, forcing the fish closer to the surface.
Haul it in! Watch the line!
The brailer scoops up 3 tons at a time. The transition from ocean to vessel must be swift to preserve quality.
Swing it! Swing it! Open it! Watch your legs!
Once on deck, the clock starts ticking. A bluefin's body temperature can ruin the meat within minutes.
Go! Go! Clear the chute! Move it!
There is no machine for this, only muscle. Down the chute, into a bath of brine at minus 60 degrees Celsius. Instant flash freezing locks in the freshness forever. Locked in this frozen state, the catch travels thousands of miles. The destination? A state landfall. The transition from the wild ocean to the precision of the factory begins here.
Unloading is a critical moment. The cargo is so cold, it creates its own weather system. Every second of exposure is measured.
Load secured! Close it up!
Sealed in a rolling freezer, the catch begins the final leg of its journey to the processing plant. Arrival at the facility. Here, the cold chain remains unbroken. The truck docks with an airtight seal before opening. Inside the receiving bay, the environment is strictly controlled. The cargo is immediately placed in a quarantine zone for inspection.
61.5. Good.
Harder than concrete. To check the core temperature, inspectors must drill into the fish. Minus 60 is the gold standard.
Please wash hands for 20 seconds.
Meanwhile, the workforce prepares. Hand washing, lint rolling.
In the holding freezer, automation takes over. Robots organize the catch at minus 30 degrees, waiting for the production schedule.
Defrosting is a science. Computer-controlled water circulation gently raises the temperature. Over 12 hours, the frost recedes. The metallic blue returns. The king of the ocean is back.
High-pressure jets strip away the brine and surface residue. The skin must be perfectly clean before the first cut is made.
Clean and prepped, the catch moves to the main processing floor. Here, skilled hands take over from machines.
A dull knife damages the meat. For a product this valuable, the edge must be razor sharp. Surgical precision is mandatory.
Laser guides ensure the cut is millimeter perfect. We remove the head but save the valuable collar meat. Efficiency is key.
Tail removal streamlines the body for the next stage. The fish is now a uniform shape, ready for the master butchers.
Machines can't do this. To remove the internal organs without rupturing them requires the touch of a human expert.
In one decisive motion, the internal organs are removed. Speed is essential to prevent enzymes from degrading the meat quality.
High-powered vacuum systems remove every trace of residue. Bacteria cannot survive where there is nothing to feed on.
Finally, rotary brushes scour the spinal column. The cavity must be clinically sterile before the fish moves to the chilling room. To ensure a perfect centerline cut, gravity helps us. The fish is suspended vertically, aligning the spine for the splitter.
In seconds, the massive carcass is split. This is the first glimpse of the pipe inside.
The backbone is removed with surgical care. What remains are 2 perfect sides, ready to be quartered into loins. The most critical cut, separating the lean akami on the back from the prize toro on the belly. One slip can cost thousands of dollars. Here lies the treasure. the gradient from deep ruby red to the frost-like marbling of the otoro.
Bloodline, rich in iron, but bitter in taste. It must be removed completely to ensure the clean, sweet flavor of the sashimi.
The skin is tough, but the meat is delicate. Automated skinners remove the outer layer with micro-precision.
Machines are fast, but not perfect. Every inch is inspected by eye. Any remaining silver skin is removed by hand.
The long loins are broken down into manageable blocks. These uniform bricks are the raw material for the final product, the saku.
Uniformity is the goal. The automated slicer converts irregular muscles into identical bricks. The saku block is born.
A river of ruby red. Each block is a perfect serving, destined for sushi counters from New York to Tokyo.
Surgically sharp edges. Deep, consistent color. This is the definition of premium grade. Precision is paramount. Dynamic check weighers measure every single block in milliseconds. Too light? Rejected. Too heavy? Diverted. Automated paddles sort the product by weight class. Heavy for steaks, standard for saku, light for tartare. Nothing is wasted. Finally, the human touch returns. Each block is hand-placed onto gold trays. Presentation is just as important as taste.
The film is heated until pliable. It hovers over the product, ready to form a vacuum skin seal. In a split second, all oxygen is removed. The film becomes a second skin, locking in freshness for weeks. Precision blades separate the trays. Each one is now a sealed, secure unit, ready for the final safety checks. Every pack gets a unique identity, weight, origin, and a QR code that traces the fish all the way back to the vessel. One final X-ray scan ensures absolute safety. Nothing leaves this facility unless it is perfect. High-speed Delta robots take over the heavy lifting, packing delicate trays into master cartons with a speed no human can match.
Master cartons are aggregated. Robotic arms stack them in interlocking patterns, creating a stable unit ready for the world.
Secured in layers of stretch film, this protective cocoon ensures stability and hygiene during the cold storage phase. Guided by lasers, autonomous vehicles transport the cargo. No drivers, no errors. Minus 25.35 degrees Celsius. The deep freeze. This is the dark warehouse. Automated, silent, capable of holding 10. The stacker crane takes over. Every pallet is tracked digitally. We know exactly where every single fish is, down to the millimeter. In a modern facility, there is no such thing as waste. Heads.
Brute force reduces the skeletal remains to a uniform mash. This prepares the material for the separation phase.
The result is liquid gold. High-grade fish oil, rich in omega-3, from bone.
When production ends, the real work begins. Every belt, blade, and bolt is disassembled. You can't clean what you can't see.
A thick layer of enzymatic foam blanket the facility. It breaks down proteins and fats on a molecular.
Water at high pressure blasts away the residue. The result is a factory that shines like a sterile operating room, ready for the next harvest.
Sunrise. While the world wakes up, the factory's output is already preparing to move. The cold chain never sleeps.
Digital orders trigger physical actions. The automated system retrieves the exact pallets needed for today's shipments, untouched by human hands.
Speed is critical, but so is care. Skilled operators load the fleet. Each truck is a rolling freezer. From the factory to the tarmac, the reefer trucks bridge the gap, maintaining the deep freeze at 60 miles per hour.
Clear!
Access to the tarmac is strictly controlled. Here, the cargo transfers from road to runway. Speed is now measured in Mach numbers.
Every pallet is contoured to fit the aircraft's fuselage. Secured with heavy netting, the catch is ready to cross oceans overnight.
The K-loader bridges the gap. 30 tons of lifting power raises the catch to the main deck. A precise handshake between earth and sky.
Lock it down!
Inside, the floor is alive. Motorized rollers pull the cargo into position. Steel locks engage.
tower. Heavy cargo 8820, airborne. Wheels up.
Crossing time zones and oceans overnight. Tomorrow, this catch will be served on the other side of the world.
Touchdown. Cleared by customs in minutes. The final leg is a race against the clock to reach the city's finest kitchens.
Signature, please, chef.
Accepted. For the master chef, quality is non-negotiable. He knows the journey this box has taken.
The seal is broken. The color, perfect. The texture, firm. It is as fresh as the moment it left the ocean.
The Yanagiba, single beveled, razor sharp, designed to separate cells, not crush them.
One motion. The hikigiri pull cut. The meat is not torn, but surgically separated. This preserves the texture and the moisture. Red akami, pink otoro, green shiso. A visual harmony that promises an explosion of flavor.
Otoro from Robotic.
Served, a masterpiece of logistics and nature.
Look at the texture. Heavy with omega-3 oils. It bends, it doesn't break. This is the definition of melt in the mouth.
Body heat alone is enough to dissolve the fat.
One bite, but behind it lies a journey of 5,000 miles. It is not just a delicacy. It is a powerhouse of nutrition, packed with omega-3s, a multi-billion-dollar industry that spans the globe. Every day. To prevent extinction, strict quotas are enforced. Every catch is tracked. Satellites and
Science offers a new path, closed-cycle aquaculture. By mastering the breeding cycle, we can reduce the pressure on wild stocks.
It is a delicate balance. We possess the technology to harvest the ocean empty. We must possess the wisdom to let it replenish.
It begins with courage.
It continues with dedication. Thousands of skilled hands working in the cold, ensuring precision that no robot can match.
And it ends with respect. The artistry that honors the life of the fish, transforming it into a moment of joy.
New York, Tokyo, Paris, Dubai, different worlds, united by one exquisite taste. Quality knows no borders.
From the deep blue to you, this is the journey of the king of the ocean. Respect the catch. Honor the craft.
Cut! Good job, everyone! Dedicated to the men and women of the sea, and to the ocean that sustains us all.